In today's video, I'm going to teach you trim not working in AutoCAD. Trim problem fix in AutoCAD. If trim isn't behaving as expected, maybe it won't cut. Or it trims the wrong parts. There are a few reliable checks that usually get things back on track. Start by switching trim out of the newer quick mode and into the classic behavior. In the command line, type trim extend mode and set it to 0. Quick mode, which is 1, can be fast. But in some drawings it selects too aggressively or overlooks your intended boundaries. Setting it to 0 restores the traditional pick then trim workflow that's more predictable for complex edits. Next, confirm how AutoCAD handles selection sets. Type pick add and set it to 2. This value keeps your previously selected objects while letting you add more, which is important when you are picking cutting edges and then trimming several items. If pick add is set incorrectly, you might lose your selection without realizing it, and trim will appear to fail. If the command still struggles, consider the drawing's location in space. When geometry lives extremely far from the origin, calculations can become unstable. Move the model closer to 0. 0. You can do this by identifying a known reference point in your drawing and moving everything so that point is near the origin. Once the geometry is close to 0, 0, 0, trim and many other operations typically become more reliable. Also check how you want AutoCAD to interpret boundaries. Type edge mode and choose what fits your intent. A value of 1 lets trim use the imaginary extension of edges beyond their endpoints, which is helpful when lines almost meet but don't quite intersect. A value of 0 restricts trimming to actual physical intersections only. Pick the one that matches the way you are drawing. It's a good idea to verify file integrity as well. Type audit and allow the program to fix any issues it finds. Minor file corruption can quietly break object relationships, and repairing them often restores normal trim behavior. Finally, confirm that neither the objects you are trimming nor the cutting edges live on locked or frozen layers. Unlock and thaw any relevant layers, so AutoCAD can modify the geometry. If a layer is locked or frozen, trim won't be able to change those entities, even if everything else looks correct. Work through these checks, test trim after each change, and you should see consistent, predictable results. If needed, revert settings to your preferred defaults after resolving the issue. Thanks for watching.